Hi Andy, here is a quick video to add existing user to different organization. For example, let me say I have two different org over here. One is my main org and one is my dev org. Currently I'm in my main org and suppose I added a user as myself. So I would be giving in my credentials and then I'll say a username and then a password and then my first name and last name. So currently my user is in the main org and it's mapped as an admin. So I've added this user and my user is successfully created and I can see a message over here. Let me refresh it to apply the changes. So now I can see username Utkarsh is added over here, but currently it's mapped to one organization, that is only the main organization. So if you want to add it to a different organization, for in this case, I have a dev organization also. So what I'll do is I'll click on this three dot icon. I'll click on edit and here you have an option to add in another. Click on the button, choose the organization, select a role, maybe editor in this case, and then click on the save button. Once you have done, the user would be updated and now you can see that the user with Utkarsh is added to two different organizations, that is the main org and dev org. So if you switch to the dev org also and see the users added over there, you would be able to see Utkarsh added as a user to this organization. So yeah, this is how you can add user that is existing user to two different organization, or if you have more than two organization, you can map accordingly by repeating the same set of steps.